Let's draw something fun and exciting. A swing. Let's draw a swing where you can imagine flying high in the sky with your imagination. Let's begin. Swings are not only playground favorites, but they also bring so much joy as they swoosh back and forth. How high do you think this swing can go? To the treetops or even to the clouds? Swinging is not only fun but also great exercise. It helps your muscles and balance. Do you like sitting on a swing or standing on it when you play? Where should our swing be? On a playground, in a backyard, or by a lake? Did you know there are many types of swings? Tire swings, basket swings, and rope swings, to name a few. Perfect! Our swing looks so fun and ready to play on. It's time for some colors to make it even more exciting. Grab your crayons or markers and let's add some bright and happy colors to finish it off. Swings are not just for fun, they are used in therapy for relaxation and focus. Some birds and monkeys in the wild enjoy swinging on tree branches, too. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Swinging can make you feel like you're flying. It's almost like a mini adventure. What's your favorite thing about swings, swooshing forward or going backward? Swing sets today come in colorful designs, including rainbow swings and animal-shaped seats. Can you pretend to swing right now? How fast or slow would you go? Yay! Our swing is all done and looks like the perfect place to play. Imagine how much fun it would be to swing on it. I can't wait to see you next time for another drawing adventure. Bye!